Hey there, Adam here. Today I'm going to show you how to add icons to your Notion pages. So the first place you're going to look is directly above the title of the page. And you're going to see an add icon button. You click there, and then you'll see emojis, icons, and custom. Click on icons, and there's where they're listed. So where it's most useful is if you want to link to a page or subpage and have an icon next to it. So for example, I've created 3 subpages here to give you a good example of what it would look like. So let's click on the car subpage, click on add icon, and search for a car icon. Now, if you go back to we add our icons page, you'll see I have a car there. We can do the same for not that one. We actually want to add an icon. So let's add a plane to this one. Now, if we go back here, you'll see we've got a plane. You can also change the color. Finally, for emojis, it's the same steps. Click here, add icon, and you'll see it under emojis. So I think the question a lot of people have is how do you add icons in line text? So, for example, if you wanted to add it in the middle of this sentence right here, the answer is you can't. So if that's what you're looking for, I'm sorry, it's not possible. You can, however, add an emoji by doing backslash emoji, and you've got your list of emojis, some of which may get you to where you want to go, for example, an onion. So for whatever reason, Notion does not allow icons or custom icons in the middle of a sentence. You may only attach them to the pages themselves and then link to the pages. Hopefully this was useful, answered your question, even if the answer was you can't do exactly what you want to do. I hope you got what you needed, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.